are you? It's Dr. Muso. Today I want to talk about the social problems that were faced by the directory. What were the social problems that they had to face during their reign 1795 to 1799? So number one, we see that the directors, they were morally corrupt. They were morally what are corrupt. Here you can use the example of Barras. We see that Talent's wife was Barras' mistress. So that led people to lose confidence. Why are you nyengering? Why are you having girlfriends when you are a leader? We can't be led by people who are still nyengering. So that on its own, it led this government to be unpopular. These people, they were not morally upright. So that on its own, it led them to lose support from the what? From the people. So the directory now, they were not morally upright. Number B, you also talk about the issue of the church. When the directory came to power, they did not do much to revive the good relations that used to exist between the state and the church. These relations, they were antagonized by the convention government. You remember during the convention government now, what happened? The relations, they were antagonized by Herbert, who introduced a new religion which was called atheism. It to ban Catholicism. So when the directory came now, they were saying we are going to direct the people. What were they supposed to do? They were supposed to normalize those good relations that used to exist between the state and the church, but they could not do so. So that led them to be unpopular. Remember that so many people in France, they were Catholics. They wanted the government to be in good books with the church, but they could not do that. They could not establish good books with the church, and it led to their unpopularity. Number C, you talk about the drought of 1795. There was a serious drought in 1795 when they came to power. They assured the people, we are going to assist you, we are going to solve your problems of hunger, they are going to be a thing of the past. That is what they told the people when they came to power in 1795. But did they do that? They could not do so when they came to power in 1795. People started to face serious problems of hunger. Poverty was the order of the day, but the government could not do much to assist the people with food. So it led again to their unpopularity. Then you move on, number D, you talk about education. The education system now, we see that it still remained poor. So many people remained illiterate. They were not in a position of reading and writing. They could not do much to revive the educational system that was in the country, again leading to their unpopularity. They were supposed to revive the educational system, but they could not do so. Another social problem that they faced was the issue of the laws, the French laws. The French laws still remained haphazard. They still remained haphazard. They remained haphazard. They could not bring laws that were going to benefit the people. The laws we see are that they were just scattered around. They were not specified. So again, it led to their unpopularity. So you talk about these social problems that they faced, and by so doing now, it led to their unpopularity. So these are some of the social problems that you can talk about that led to the unpopularity of the directorate government. Thank you so much.